Intellectual petition. Intellectual property and copyrights are two essential concepts that protect the rights of creators. Intellectual property refers to a broad category of legal rights that cover inventions, designs, trademarks, and artistic works. It ensures that creators can control the use of their ideas, innovations, and creations. On the other hand, copyright is a specific type of intellectual property that focuses on protecting literary, musical, and artistic works. It grants creators exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, and display their work. The key difference between the two lies in their scope. While intellectual property covers a wide range of creations, copyrights specifically protect the expression of ideas rather than the ideas themselves. For instance, the plot of a novel can be copyrighted, but the general theme cannot. Understanding these distinctions helps creators safeguard their work while encouraging innovation and creativity.